How to forget and unforget a Bluetooth device on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to forget a Bluetooth device on Android and what to do if you need to unforget it. These simple steps will help you manage your Google connection effectively. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Settings app. Once you have opened it, simply tap on Bluetooth and the Bluetooth interface will be opened. As you can see, I'm connected to the device named AirDops 170. So for this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply just unpair this device. To do that, simply I'm gonna tap on the device name and then select unpair. And that's it. The device has been forgotten. Now, what if you accidentally forgot a device and want to reconnect it? Here is how you can unforget or repair the device. So to do this, what you're gonna do is just toggle off the Bluetooth option and again toggle it on. So by doing it so, I can make my device scan for the Bluetooth device. As here you can see, my device has already scanned it. So what I'm going to do is just tap on it and tap on pair and it will again reconnect to the Wi-Fi that has been forgotten before. And that's how you can unforget and forget a Bluetooth device on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.